What's up you guys, hope you're all doing good and welcome to our Dream channel once again. For those who are visiting our channel for the first time, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Jagdish, a software developer with around 10 years of experience. If you are interested in learning Java from the fundamentals, consider subscribing to our channel and check out our videos. We have started the initiative of explaining the Java concept in under 1 minute, and today under that initiative we are going to talk about loops in Java. So for that we have a class ready and we have the timer ready. Before jumping into the actual concept of loops, let's talk about loops for a few seconds. So what are loops in Java? Loops are used for executing a set of statements again and again in Java based on a specific condition. There are various kinds of loops available in Java, like the for loop, we have while loop, and we have do while loop. All the loops will have three important parts available. So first is you have to initialize a variable for the loop, and you need to have a condition, and you need to increment or decrement the value of the variable which is going to be iterated. So let's jump into the programming and let's talk about the while loop in Java. So I have a variable called as I, and here I am going to check if the I is less than 10. I am going to print the value of I, and I am going to increment the value of I. If I do that and if I run this particular program, so the value of the I will move from 0 to 9. I am able to print it by making use of the while loop. The same thing you can do it even by making use of a do while loop. So where you have to check the condition at the end and you need to put in the do over here. So this is what is called as the do while loop, which is available in Java, which does the same task as that of the while loop. And there is one other loop called as a for loop, which is available in Java, where it takes the value like in k equals 0, and it checks the condition and it increments. Everything will happen on the same line, and you can print in the value of k over here. And let me remove this particular code, and now if you run this particular program, it will print the values from 0 to 9. Bingo. Hope you found this video informative, where we spoke about loops in Java and the three types of loops available in Java. If you really found this video informative and this concept of taking up the ideas in under a minute, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you.